abused over food. That's it. You know, that is why I have had such a hard time with keeping my weight down, with digesting my food. I had cancer. You know, I have high anxiety whenever I sit down to a meal, and it's become highly intensified with being homeless. And as you know, I'm not homeless anymore because I do sleep outside, but home is a condition to the heart, okay? I'm not homeless, but I use that word just for people who are new. Check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. If you're new, tell me, how did you find my channel in the comments, and tell me what your name is. My name is Liberty V Justice, and there's no period in my V because my victory is never ending. Yours don't have to either, my friends. Tienes infinito en valor. You are infinite in value. Thank you, champions, for coming to my channel. And to the returning champions, God bless you. Thank you so much. You have been my air and water over these past 5 years. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you. You are infinite in value. So check it out. That's it. That's the whole thing right there. I have high anxiety. I have PTSD. I have trauma. I've been physically abused over food. So that's it. You know, whenever we sit down to a meal, there's always some kind of, whether it's a birthday party or a holiday, whether, you know, any type of snack, any type of meal, for whatever reason, my family loves to fight, bicker, argue, put people down, any and all of the above. So that is why it's been so hard these past 5 years. But my emotional intelligence is insane. It is through the roof at this point. I'm getting so much better every day in every way. So I thank you so much for watching my channel, and I thank you for never having surrounded me and hovered over me while I eat at any point in my life. And if you haven't done that, or staring at me while I'm eating or while I'm working, and I'm always working. So, you know, you're gonna find me anytime I'm eating. I'm probably going to be sitting at my computer, you know, so, and I'm going to be doing something. But guys, I thank you so much for all your support over these past 5 years. It has been the most challenging, and that's why because it's been the most challenging, that's why I have been the most victorious. Guys, do me a favor, champions, comment below. Like I said, tell me how you found my channel, and tell me what your name is. I just exposed myself. If you would like to expose yourself and tell me one of your secrets, do that too, because you are worth it, and our secrets keep us sick. All right, I'm here to support you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for being a part of my community. All right, you are infinite in value. Thank you once again. Comment, don't forget to comment. Okay, thank you. My name, oh wait, let me do this. What's my name, y'all? Liberty Justice. With my mind and my money, and my money on my mind, to show you that you are infinite in value. You can do anything you want to do. Thank you.